What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to switch from demo to live account on MetaTrader 5. Firstly, launch the Mt5 app on your device, then go to the account management screen. Tap Open an account to start the process. Choose the broker server where you want to open your real account. By default, not all servers are displayed. If you don't see your broker, start typing its name in the search bar. Tap the correct server line and then tap Real Account. Now fill in the required personal information like full name, number, email address, etc. Enter your address details, then upload verification documents and attach documents by selecting the line and choosing your method. Make sure all documents are readable, clear, and fully visible. Now review your information and submit the account application. Once approved, your live Mt5 account will be ready to trade. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.